everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share chat on Claude. If you want to share your Claude conversation with someone in seconds, whether it's for work, school, or just showing something cool, Claude makes it super easy. So let me walk you through it step by step. So open your browser and go to Claude and log in into your account. So open the chat you want to share, for example, this one. Now find the share option. Look at the top right of your chat. If you can see share button, just tap on that. So it will open share chat. So in here, you can keep private or create public link. So choose whichever you want. So I'm going to click on create public link and Claude will create a shareable link. So click copy link. This link lets others view your conversation. Now, once you copy the link, you can paste the link anywhere on Messenger, email, social media, or anyone with the link can view the chat. So, quick tips, double check for private info before sharing. Shared chats are usually view only, and you can stop sharing anytime if option is available. And that's basically it. Super simple. Now you can share your Claude chats in just a few clicks. So you can use shared chats for tutorials, client reports, AI-generated content drafts, combined with tools like Google Docs for collaboration, or save important shared links and bookmarks for quick access. And that's how you can share any Claude chat on PC. Very quick, simple, and super useful. So once you start using this, you'll never go back to screenshots again. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.